I will preheat the pan and will put the 1/2 cup of butter. Oh my god. The onions. If you want garlic, do the garlic. Just saute it. Wait until like light brown. Then add the 2 cups of, I use the yang chow rice, and stir it well gradually. Is my term correct? To make it flavorful. Then I will add the vegetable. Just half cook. Two to 3 cups only. Wow. Yeah, nice. Then let it boil until it drains the water for just 15 to 20 minutes only. And this is what are we seeing right now. Wait until it's done. And now our rice pilaf is done. So we'll put it in the plate for serving. That's all. Thank you. And this is our final presentation of the rice pilaf. And this is our final presentation of our rice pilaf. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it and enjoy it. Thank you.